Elias with TurboDial here. We're going to be talking about the SMS messaging app. We're going to talk about the unread conversation counter and SMS button, which is a button you're all familiar with. The SMS messaging app, including its conversation and history pane, and SMS two-way chat windows. So as far as the SMS button and unread conversation counter go, everyone will be familiar with the SMS button, and when we click it, that takes you to the SMS messaging app. The unread conversation counter is new, and it displays the number of unread conversations that you have. And if we click it, that will take you to the SMS messaging app history. I'm going to send a text, and you will see that the unread conversation counter increments. Okay, and if I click on the unread conversation counter and click into this conversation, you can see that the unread conversation counter decreased because I viewed that conversation. Okay, so let's talk about other elements of the SMS messaging app. So if I click here, this will take me to the SMS messaging app history. The SMS messaging app history displays conversations for all users, but you can filter it to yourself. This icon, when clicked, will focus your TurboDial panel on this contact. So if you click into a conversation that's not associated with the contact that you have your TurboDial panel focused on, clicking this icon will focus your TurboDial panel on this contact. So notice how it changed from Juan Doe to Julius Sneezer. If we click this icon, this will open up an SMS two-way chat window, and you can have multiple SMS two-way chat windows open. So if we close the SMS messaging app, this will still be open, but let's say that we also want to have another SMS two-way chat window open for Juan Doe. What we do is we click on SMS, then we click on this button. Now you can see that we have two SMS two-way chat windows open for two different contacts. And they stay open even if you close the SMS messaging app. If you click this, this will close the SMS messaging app. And we'll send to, this is a selector now, and you can choose which number you would like to send an SMS to for this contact. And we'll send from, this allows you to choose a from number that's based on all of the TurboDial acquired inbound numbers you have. And down here we have the SMS history, which displays up to 1,000 SMSs if you have enhanced inbound or hosted voice. If you don't, it will only display up to 10 SMSs. Okay, so as far as the SMS messaging app history goes, by default it's going to display conversations for all users, but it can be filtered to your user. If there is a filled circle to the left of a conversation, that means that it is a conversation you haven't opened, read, or replied to. If you see an M dash to the left of a conversation, that is a conversation that is currently associated to a different user. And if you see an open circle to the left of a conversation, that's a conversation that is assigned to you that you have opened, read, or replied to. SMS two-way chat windows. So they are a conversation for a specific contact, and they can stay open even if you close the SMS messaging app. You can have multiple SMS two-way chat windows open, which I already demonstrated earlier. And all features you see in an SMS two-way chat window perform the same functions that we already covered for the SMS messaging app. Okay, that is the end of the SMS messaging app overview. Thank you for watching, and happy texting, everyone.